So if you get this message on your phone that says home would like to send you critical alerts, create this and all, you notice that you cannot swipe up, swipe down, do any other thing on this phone, right? I just fixed mine right now, and here is how I was able to fix it. So you can also fix yours, okay? And I also tell you, what to do so that this won't appear again. Because if after fixing it and you don't do this thing in this video, it's keep on appearing over and over again. It's going to frustrate you. What you need to do is to press the volume up and down button very fast, then hold the power button. Okay, just hold it. So as you can see, it has just restarted by itself. So what we did was to just first restart it so that it can come on and that stuff is going to stop showing. Okay, so once you do this, this is going to be fixed on your phone. But like I said, I have to also show you how you can stop this from happening over and over and over again. Okay, just give it a few seconds and it's up right now, and you won't get that method. Let me know in the comment section right now if this method worked for you. Okay, while I show you how we can resolve this. So just let me in the comment section. Okay, so what you need to do is go to your settings. Once you're in your settings, scroll down to notifications. Okay, then scroll down to home. Now what causes it is this app called home. Yes, this app over here called home. That is what causes it. Okay, yeah. So what you need to do when you go to that notification over here, let's go again. Your settings, then go to notifications, then scroll down to home, then ensure it is turned off. That is, if you are not using this app, because most of us don't use this app at all, right? It's just there. So just ensure it is turned off. You're going to notice that it's turned on yours, but turn it off and save it. Then go back and use your phone normally. That stuff won't happen again. Okay, so do not forget to give this video a thumbs up if it helped you out in fixing your problem, and also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Okay.